Hello students, nice to meet you again. I am Mari Krishnan, Department of Mathematics from Bharadasam Metric High Secondary School, 8th Standard Mathematics. Today our topic is exponents. Know already exponents. Exponents means 9, example 9. 9 equal to, how to write 3 power 2. So power value, power of 2, that is called exponents. The 3 is the base element, 3 power 2. The 3 is the base element, 2 is the exponent or power or index. So first our topic is exponent. First one, law of exponents. What is the law of exponents? First one is product, division. Next one, same base. Next, same exponents. These are, listen, first one, product. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. This is the product. Second one, division. A power m divided by a power n. A power m divided by a power n. This is equal to a power m minus n. Next one, exponent is 0. A power 0. So exponent value 0. Any value power 0 equal to value 1. Any value power 0 equal to value 1. So that is a power 0 equal to 1. Next one, a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. So a power m divided by b power m. Next one, a power m into b power m. Listen here. The first one, bases are equal. A. Numerators are different. M, n. Fifth one, bases are different, but exponents are equal. M. So a into, here multiplication, a into b whole power m. A into b whole power m. In the same way, division, a power m divided by b power m. This is equal to a by b whole power m. Listen, this is a very important formulas. These are formulas. First one, product, a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. This is product. Next one, division. Bases are equal. A. Here also bases are equal. Product here multiplication. A power m. So m minus a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Next one, any value power 0. Exponent value 0 or index value 0 or power value 0. So any value power 0 equal to value 1. Next one, division. A by b whole power m. A by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. Here exponents are equal, bases are different. A, b. So different bases, powers equal. M. Next one is a power m into b power m. Bases are different in product. Bases a and b are base element. In product, exponents are equal. M. So a into b whole power m equal to a into b whole power m. A power m into b power m equal to a into b whole power m. Division same, a power m divided by b power m. Bases are different, exponents are equal. So a by b whole power m. So these are the laws of exponents or formulas. Next one is exercise 2.1, question number 5. Exercise 2.1, question number 5. So listen, what are the laws of using here? First one, p by q. P by q is the fraction. Next one, different bases. P, q. So different bases. 7 by 4, 4 by 9. Here also p by q, q by p. Exponents are equal. 7, 2. Listen here. P by q equal to 7 by 4 whole square. So 7 power 2 divided by 4 power 2 into 4 power 2. This is formula a by b whole power m. Formula a power m divided by b power m. Same formula 4 by 9 whole square. So 4 square divided by 9 square. So formula, what is the formula? A by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. So 4 square cancel. 4 square 16 is also 4 square equal to 16. So cancel. So P by Q equal to remaining 7 square divided by 9 square. 7 square equal to value 7 into 7. So 7 into 7 equal to 49. P by Q equal to 7 square value 49. 9 square, 9 nines are 81. So divided by 81. This is P by Q equal to 49 divided by 81. So P by Q equal to 49 divided by 81. Next is Q by P. P by Q, Q by P. What is the relation here? Reciprocal. P by Q is the reciprocal of Q by P. In the same way, Q by P is the reciprocal of P by Q. So Q by P equal to reciprocal. 49 divided by 81 is the reciprocal is 81 divided by 49. 81 divided by 49. So next one we have to find P by Q whole square into Q by P whole cube. Listen, powers are different. Next bases are different. Listen. Same formula. What is the formula? P by Q whole square. Formula A by B whole power m. So A power m divided by B power m. So P square divided by Q square into same formula A by B whole power m equal to formula A power m divided by B power m. So Q cube divided by P cube. Listen, cancellation, listen. P square 2 cube cancel, remaining 1. Next one Q square Q cube. Q square cancel, remaining 1. So this is equal to remaining Q power 1. Q power 1 equal to Q only. Anything power 1 value equal to same number. 5 power 1 equal to 5. 100 power 1 equal to 1. So Q power 1 equal to Q only. P power 1 equal to P. So Q by P. The Q by P equal to value P by Q equal to 49 divided by 81. The same way Q by P equal to 81 divided by 49. So Q by P equal to value 81 divided by 49. So therefore P by Q whole square into Q by P whole cube equal to value 81 divided by 49. So what is the formula? A by B whole power m equal to A power m divided by P power m. This is a formula. A by B whole power m equal to A power m divided by B power m. Bases are different, exponents are equal. M only. A and B are base element. Next, question number 6. Listen, 3 by 5 whole power 2x, 9 by 25 whole power 2. This is equal to 729 divided by 15,625. So here also bases are different, exponents are different. So change. Formula same formula. A by B whole power m equal to formula A power m divided by B power m. So 3 by 5 whole power 2x. There is no change. The next one 9. 9 how to write in the 3 powers? 9 equal to 3 square. So 3 3s are equal to 9. So 9 equal to 3 power 2. 9 equal to 3 power 2 divided by 25. 25 equal to 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, right? 5 5s are 25. So 5 square. Whole power value 2. This is equal to 729. The very important method, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. 729. This division name is prime factorization method. The 3 table, 3 2s are 6, remaining 1. So 1 2 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Next same 3 table, 24. 3 table, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Same 3 table, 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6, remaining 2 21. 3 7s are 27. 3 table, 27, 3 9s are 27, 9, 3 3s are, next one 3 means 3 1s are. So listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 3 multiple, we get equal to value 729. So this equal to 729 equal to, how many times multiply 3? 6 times. So 3 power 6. 729 equal to 3 power 6. This 3 is the base element. This 6 is the exponent. This 3 is the base element. 6 is the exponent. So 729 equal to 3 power 6 divided by next one 15,625. Next one 15,625. The method name is what? Using prime factorization method. Very important. So unit digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Last unit digit ending with 0 or 5. That number is divisible by 5. So 15,625 is divisible by 5. So fifth table. First one is 1. 1 is not divisible by 5. So we take 15. 5 3s are 15. Next one 6. 5 1s are 5. Remaining 1. 12. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2. 25. 5 5s are 25. Next one. Fifth table. 3 is not divisible by 5. So we take 31. 5 6 are 30. Remaining 1 2. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2 25. 5 5s are 25. Next one fifth table only. 5 5 1s are 5. Remaining 1 2 12. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2 25. 5 5s are 25. Again fifth table. 5 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2 25. 5 5s are 25. This is equal to next one. 5 5s are 25. Next one last. 5 1s are 5. So listen. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 times 5 multiply we get 15,625. So 15,625 equal to 15,625 equal to 5 power 6. 729 equal to 3 power 6. In the same way, using prime factorization, 15,625 equal to 5 power 6. So 5 power 6. So listen here, next step. 3, 5, exponent value 6, 6. So exponents are equal. What is the formula? A power m divided by b power m. This is equal to formula a power m divided by b power m. This is equal to what is the formula? A by b whole power m. So a by b whole power m. So listen, 3 by 5, here also 3 by 5 whole power 2x. Listen, 3 power 2, 5 power 2. So bases are different, powers are equal, 2, 2 only. So into 3 by 5 whole square, this whole power 2. So what is the formula? A power m whole power n. A power m, power of power. Listen, a power m whole power n. So this is the law of power. So a power m into n. This is equal to a power m into, using this formula here, 3 by 5, 3 power 6 divided by 5 power 6. This is equal to 3 by 5 whole power 6. So 3 by 5 whole power 2x into 3 by 5, 2 2s are 4. So 3 by 5 whole power 4. This is equal to 3 by 5 whole power 6. Listen these three terms, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So these are equal, bases are equal, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Exponents are different. Listen, what is the formula? A power m into a power n. First formula, product formula. A power m into a power n. This is equal to a power m plus n. First formula, product formula. Bases equal, exponents are different. So a power m into a power n equal to formula a power m plus n. So 3 by 5 whole power 2x m n. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 5 whole power 6. Listen here, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, bases are equal. So exponents are equal only. This is the very important. Listen, bases are equal. So its powers are equal. Bases are equal, so its powers are equal. So 2x plus 4. Take exponents only, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, same. So we have to find x value only. So 2x equal to 6. 2x equal to 6. Next step, 2x equal to 6. This plus 4 go that side, we get minus 4. 2x equal to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. X equal to 2. This 2 come this side, divided by 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. So x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Very simple. Bases are equal, powers are equal. Thank you. You have enclosed in question bank. Next one, study material and also self-assessment. 20 mark. Thank you.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதர் ப்ரீகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் MEMலும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.